Hi, this is Jimmy Tate. So I decided to use Canva in order to make my presentation. It's very sleek and very easy to use due to the fact that everything is on the sidebar here and it's very self-explanatory. Um, the two main features of Canva that sets it apart from other presentation tools is the use of music, which it has a set selection of music that's all free, and it has videos that you can use in the background so that you can have a video playing while you are presenting. So as you can hear, the music is in the background. um, it's very sleek in that the transitions are really smooth. um, the text is very crisp and everything is very, very nice and professional looking. So I have math formulas here that are just supposed to correspond with the background quite a bit. So for this one, I have a rocket, and it's talking about velocity and acceleration. My main concern with it, though, is that the text tool does not allow for very good-looking formulas, which really hinders a math presentation such as this one. But besides that, it looks very, very neat, and it looks almost professional even.